The, Hey everyone, Afzal here once again. Welcome you all in the series of business analysis. And today I'm gonna explain what exactly business analyst means, what business analysts have to do in day-to-day life, and who and whom should do this course to become a business analyst. So before moving ahead, I'd like to explain what actually business analyst is. So a person who is like having analysis power, like not power, but who have the technique of doing analysis of any topic. That person can prefer themselves to be a business analyst. And if you're not having analysis power, if you're not someone who is interested in business, then it is not a field for you. So let me explain myself. Afzal, and I have been working as a business analyst since 3 years, and currently I'm working in a services company where I'm working on multiple projects at the moment. Here, I want to let you know what exactly you have to do to become a business analyst. I'm going to say the roadmap, what you need to do. So coming to point, okay. So business analyst is a person who business analyst is a person who used to analyze the things. Suppose there is some the gap between the dream or the desire of the client and their actual situation. So being a business analyst, you have to get that particular gap and you have to fill that gap. You are going to act like a bridge between the IT and the your client, between the IT team and your client, and you're gonna fill that gap. So that is the exact role that a business analyst need to do. So now coming to the point, what we need to do to become a business analyst. For becoming a business analyst, you need to learn few technical skills along with a tactical and analytical power. Suppose if I ask you a question, there is a shop at your local area and they are selling clothes, but they are not making such a profit that they want. So if you have the ability to find out what exactly the gap is between their desire and their actual status, and you have the solution to solve it, then you can become a business analyst, and I can say you are acting as a business analyst there. So for more detail, please subscribe the channel. I'll let you know the further things ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye.